Assalamualaikum. Hi, today we're gonna present about electrical loop system. The table of content is including introduction, component, process, application, advantage and disadvantage, and the last one is conclusion. The introduction is a loop system, also known as a ring distribution system, is an electrical distribution network where the power supply is arranged in a closed loop. This allows electricity to flow in more than one direction, ensuring that consumer receive a continuous supply even if one part of the system fails.
Next is component. Power supply is a substation or transformer supplying electricity. Next, distribution transformer is a step-down voltage for consumer use. Next, switchgear used to control, isolate and protect section of the system. Next, protection device is circuit breakers and relays to detect faults. And lastly, distribution cables is an underground or overhead cable forming the loop.
Next, let's move on to the process of the loop system and how electricity is distributed through the network. First, electricity is supplied from the substation into the loop system. The electrical power enters the distribution cables and forms a closed loop connection. Second, power flows in both directions around the loop. This helps to ensure a stable and continuous electricity supply to consumers. Next, consumers receive electricity from the nearest available path in the loop system. This makes the power distribution more efficient and reliable. If a fault occurs in one section, the affected part can be isolated using switchgear to prevent damage to the whole system. And finally, the rest of the loop continues supplying electricity through an alternative route. This reduces power interruption and improves system reliability.
Now, I will explain the application of the electrical loop system. The loop system is to provide a stable and continuous electricity supply. If one cable has a problem, electricity can still flow from another side of the loop. First, in residential areas, it supplies electricity to houses and apartments safely and reliably. The next one is shopping malls. It helps provide continuous power for lights, elevator, escalators and shops. And hospital, the loop system is very important because medical equipment needs a constant power supply. Lastly, in industrial areas, factories use the loop system for machine and production line to avoid power interruption.
Next, for advantage using loop system is number one, simple and cost effective to design, easy to install and maintain, suitable for medium areas. For the disadvantage, we have higher maintenance cost, which is more cable, switchgear and protective device are needed, increasing the overall cost. For the second one is complex design and higher maintenance requirement, where more equipment means more inspection and maintenance work is required.
In conclusion, the electrical loop system is reliable and efficient for supplying electricity. It helps provide continuous power and reduces interruption when a fault happens. Although the system is more expensive and complex, it's very suitable for places that need stable electricity such as hospitals, shopping malls, residential areas and factories. That's all for our group to explain about the loop distribution system. Thank you.